Hi there, young explorers! It's Zippy the Frogman, and I'm super excited to embark on another fantastic adventure with all of you. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of colors. Are you ready? Let's go! Welcome to Zippy's workshop, where the magic happens. Today, we'll learn about colors, the building blocks of our vibrant world. Meet our friends, red, blue, and yellow. These three are primary colors.
I am red.
Hi, I am blue.
Hi, I'm yellow.
Together, we can create a rainbow of colors by mixing these primary colors. Let's try it out. Wow, look at that! We've made purple, green, and orange. Isn't it magical? Now it's your turn. Can you find something red in your room and show it to us? Fantastic job, little adventurers! You're color explorers just like me. Keep it up! That was an incredible journey into the world of colors. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Remember, every color is special, just like each one of you. Until our next adventure, stay curious, stay colorful, and keep learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow color explorers. Bye for now!